Hey everyone, welcome back. To reduce the impact of new tariffs imposed by US President Donald Trump, Apple will increase iPhone imports from India, according to the Wall Street Journal, with a 26% tariff from Indian imports compared to a whopping 54% from China, 46% from Vietnam, and 36% from Thailand. India presents the least costly option for Apple, although Apple doesn't plan major supply chain changes due to the unpredictability of the current trade environment. Shifting more US-bound iPhones from India is seen as a temporary solution. It's worth pointing out that CEO Tim Cook previously secured tariff exemptions during Trump's first term but has had less success this time around. Apple will produce 25 million iPhones in India this year, enough to supply around 50% of US demand in 2025. The company has invested heavily in Indian manufacturing over recent years, and this move supports that strategy. Tariffs on Chinese goods could dramatically increase Apple's production costs. For example, the iPhone 16 Pro, which currently costs Apple $580 to build, could rise to $850 with the new tariffs. While Trump is urging Apple to manufacture devices in the US, Apple says it's more cost-effective to pay tariffs than to shift production to a country lacking the skilled workforce needed for advanced assembly. Apple may also explore pressuring suppliers to cut prices or absorbing some costs, but price hikes may be inevitable. Trump's tariffs plans have triggered a market reaction, with Apple stock down nearly 20% over the past 3 days.